أفراح بنت جبير بنت يمنية تقف أمام رئيس شركة آبل بالمملكة العربية السعودية وتتحدث اللغة الإنجليزية بطلاقة، أدهشت رئيس الشركة وجميع الحاضرين. شاهد الفيديو.
Meet you all. My name is Afrah bin Jubair. Although I'm originally from Yemen, I have lived my whole life in this beautiful country. Ever since I was a child, I have been always curious about technologies and software that we are using in our daily life. So, because of this passion and curiosity, led me to be majoring in software engineering. After graduating, I wanted to complete my journey and gain more knowledge about app development, which is why I applied to Apple Developer Academy. When I got accepted, I was super excited to start, and it was really worth it. During my time here, I developed several applications, and I'm proud of all of them. But two of them are so special to me. The first one is called Tiny Talks. It's an application that helps autistic kids to communicate with their friends and family easily. The other one is called Prince Adventure, a game that's inspired by a documentary. The purpose of this game to increase awareness about pollution in the ocean, especially the plastic pollution, and how we can protect our environment. Actually, this game I have submitted for the Swift Student Challenge, and I was honored to be recognized as one of the distinguished winners. This recognition allowed me to visit Apple Park, attend the WWDC keynote, meet engineers there, showcase my applications to them, and also gain feedback. And even I met Susan there who tried out my application. It was an incredible